you don't like boring forms but still use them, then here's a trick to spice them up. Accent color in CSS. The Accent Color CSS property is your new best friend for customizing form elements. It lets you set the accent color for checkboxes, radio buttons, range sliders, and progress bars. Simple, right? Here's how you do it. Just add accent color, followed by your chosen color. For example, input, accent color blue. You can use any valid CSS color value, named colors like red or green, hex codes like #F5733, RGB values, or even HSL. The options are endless, and guess what? This property is supported in all modern browsers: Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. So no worries about compatibility issues. Ready to give your forms a fresh look? Try accent color today and let your creativity shine.